Hey everyone, welcome back to the SIRON Portal tutorial series. This video is all about the subscriptions page and how you can manage your recurring deliveries. Just like before, everything you're seeing here is example data to show you how it all works. So first, let's talk about what a subscription actually is. A subscription is a schedule of recurring deliveries at a fixed price. Think of it like parts you order on a regular basis. But here's the key. You have flexibility to change things month to month. You can expedite orders, change quantities, or add extra deliveries if needed. It's really useful for companies that need recurring parts but want flexibility to adjust based on what's happening that month. Keep in mind, the SIRON staff will create subscriptions for you. To get started, send us a message about what you're looking for through the Get Support page. To see all your upcoming deliveries for a subscription, click on the Upcoming Deliveries button. This drops down a list showing you all the scheduled deliveries coming up. Now you'll notice at the top, there's a default quantity. This is the minimum amount of parts included per month, which is established when setting up your subscription. If you want to change that quantity for an upcoming delivery, simply click the Edit button. Here you can adjust the quantity, typically up to 3 times the default quantity. So if your default is 3 parts per month, you can bump it up to 9 for a particular month if you need more. The next thing to change is the delivery date. Subscriptions are typically monthly, so when you click on the calendar, you can change the delivery date to be any day within that month, so long as it isn't within 21 days of today. So the day I'm recording is November 30th, so we can change this delivery to be as soon as December 21st. This 21-day buffer gives SIRON enough time to manufacture and prepare your parts. If we go to another month in the future, you can see that we can change the delivery date to be any day within the month. You can also change which location you want the delivery shipped to. This is handy if you have multiple facilities or warehouses. If you need to add more locations, you can do that in the Company Settings page. Press Save to save changes. Finally, you can add a delivery by clicking the Add Delivery button. This lets you schedule an extra delivery for any month you need. And notice, you can delete upcoming deliveries that you created. So if you added an extra delivery but don't need it anymore, you can remove it by pressing the trash can. The View Past Orders button is also pretty useful. This automatically takes you to the orders page with a filter applied to show you all past orders that were created from that specific subscription. In this case, there's been one past order made from the subscription. Remember, when an upcoming delivery reaches its final edit date, it converts into an order. So this button lets you see the history of what's already been delivered from this subscription. And that's the bulk of the key functionality on the subscriptions page. It really gives companies great flexibility for managing recurring parts without being locked into rigid schedules. Now back to the regular features. You can still use the search bar and the filters button to filter through your subscriptions. For more info on these buttons, please check out the orders page video. The link is in the description. There's also a View Files button that lets you view any associated files with the subscription. Just like before, you can upload your own files and view the ones that were uploaded by the SIRON staff. Also, if you have any direct concerns with a subscription, you can use the Get Product Support feature, which lets you submit a support request, but it links all the data directly to the subscription, just so our SIRON staff knows exactly which subscription you're having trouble with. And that's about everything you need to know about managing your subscriptions. If you have any questions or need to make changes that you can't do yourself, just reach out through the Get Support page. Thanks for watching.